The Model 40,000 cordless pressure washer boasts a robust design featuring a high-quality metal pump head and an all-copper motor, delivering an impressive cleaning pressure of 990 psi. Equipped with two durable high-capacity rechargeable batteries, this pressure washer provides a substantial 4,000 milliampere-hour battery life, ensuring long-lasting cleaning sessions of up to 40 minutes per battery. The innovative 6-in-1 nozzle offers versatility with adjustable modes, making it perfect for a variety of cleaning tasks, from cars and fences to windows and garden plants. A thoughtfully designed 16.4-foot hose with an effective filter protects the machine from impurities, extending its lifespan and enhancing performance. For added convenience, a cleaning foam cannon is included, which quickly produces fine and even bubbles, simplifying car washing and other cleaning applications. DHIDs offers excellent after-sales support with a 90-day refund or return policy and a commitment to resolving any issues within 24 hours.